Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. There is a limit to everything in life. Which of the following is called the study of soils, that is pedology? He congratulated you on your promotion. Which of the following is called the study of teaching, that is pedagogy? Let us make up our differences. Which of the following is called the study of food, that is bromatology? Akbar will look dash my work in my absence. Akbar will look after my work in my absence. Which of the following is called the study of thunder, that is brontology? Aslam has given dash smoking completely. Aslam has given up smoking completely. You ought to abide by this decision. Which of the following is called the study of early Christianity, that is patrology? He came out with a brilliant suggestion at the differences. Please attend to what I say. Which of the following is called the study of faith, that is Christology? The jug is full of milk. Which of the following is called the study of knowledge or wisdom? This is called philosophy. Which of the following is called the study of crime and punishment? That is penology. My wife is good at French. A person who feels sorry for a wrong he has done is called compassionate. A person who is always looking for a fight is called bellicose. Next one, you should refrain from hurting her feelings. The study of unborn babies is embryology. Which of the following is called the study of precious metals? This is called chirology. Which of the following is called the study of codes? This is called cryptology. This course of action will be prejudicial in the interest of our country. Amir has been blessed with a son. That which is not possible or credible is improbable. That which cannot be heard is inaudible. That which cannot be corrected is called incorrigible. That which cannot be believed is called incredible. He is always boasting of his wealth. Next one, that which cannot be cured is called incurable. Alia parted from her parents in tears. An who is incapable of being tired is indefatigable. I had the privilege of knowing him intimately. Our neighbor died from overwork. Next one, a person who is very formal in etiquette is called punctilious. Next one, the study of rain is called umbrology. That which cannot be attacked or taken by force is intangible. Next one, an elderly unmarried woman is spinster. A supporter of the cause of women is feminist. One who cannot be easily pleased is fastidious. Next one, Akhtar was born away from his old friends. I was amazed at his misbehavior. Slim amused us with jokes. Arfa has been fully cured of the chronic pains in her legs. A person who advocates extreme patriotism is called chauvinism. A person whose opinions are based on reasons believes in rationalism. Belief in the role of a strong dictator is fascism. The rains have set in. He is capable of doing anything. He is fully contented with his life. Aslam is not known to my brother. You should not jest at his poverty. Next one, there was no heir to the throne. He got over his illness in 2 weeks. The shopkeeper has charged me 10 rupees for this book. We can compare life to a drama. He is not living within his means. I am aware of my shortcomings. Pity makes for happiness. Imran assured the officer of his sincerity. He has a great lust for wealth. They went to Sialkot by bus. I am writing this essay in blue ink. Author was addicted to drinking. He has great affection for his grandchildren. A person who has an extensive knowledge is called erudite. Next one, I have no access to the education minister. She is accomplished in painting. He was admitted into the 10th class. The robbers sat on the passengers. For several days, he kept away from the school. The discussion was held over till the next meeting. A person of infirm body or sickly constitution is called valetudinarian. The science of origin, nature and course of diseases is called pathology. Which of the following is called the study of rings? This is called dactyology. Go on until you see a church on your right. I prefer death to dishonor. Your views are identical from mine. His terms are not acceptable to my request. My officer has acceded to my request. She took advantage of his leniency. I cannot make out what his beggar wants. People are increasing by crying for freedom from foreign subjection. Asim was accused of murder. Who set her on to do it? Which of the following is called the study of fingerprints? It is called dactylography. Which of the following is called the study of heat? This is calorifics. To be expert in using hands is dexterous. The person who is clumsy with one hand is called maladroit. The hunter aimed at the tiger. The principal of our college was very angry with the students. We must believe in God. Put out the light. Which of the following is called the study of picture postcards is called dactyology. The study of poison is called toxicology. I took strong objection to the proposal. She was mistaken for a switch. I am badly in need of money. He is a lax in morals. He parted with all his possessions happily. A person who refuses compliance is called recalcitrant. One who looks at the dark side of things is called pessimist. A person who changes sides is called turncoat. That which is outdated or out of use or fashion is called obsolete. Next one, a remedy which can cure all ailments is called panacea. One who is all powerful is called omnipotent. A thing through which rays of light cannot pass is called opaque. A person who hates women is called misogynics. False arrangement intended to deceive, sophism. A truth which is often repeated is called truism. He must avail himself of this opportunity. The dog ran at the fox. I shall set about my work soon. Next one is that the minister promised to look into the matter personally. Next one, you should plague your mind of false nations. Next one, she took offense at the abusive language used by him. Next one, his father prevailed upon him to join the government service. He was excluded from the team. There is an exception to every rule. One who knows everything is called omniscient. Next one, the violation or profaning sacred things is called sacrilege. A person of a material outlook and indifferent to culture is called Philistine. Next one, a free thinker on religion is called libertine. One who makes or compiles a dictionary is called lexicographer. Next one who is well versed in the science of language is called philologist. One who is present everywhere is called omnipresent. He is very grateful to me. He has copied this letter word from word. Next one, the water supply at last gave out. The students protest for the ill treatment of this leader. The old man brought about a reconciliation between two brothers. Yesterday a truck collided with a bus. The teacher should not be partial to any students. Amar has special aptitude for music. Next one, you should be ashamed of your bad conduct. I called at his house yesterday. He is envious of his brother's success. We should not hanker after money. The dog barked at the passers-by. You must arrive at some conclusion before you leave. Amna had deposited 5,000 rupees with the Bank of Al-Falah. A place where wild animals are kept is called zoo. A man whose wife is dead is called widower. A government run by mob is mobocracy. Next one that lives on another is called parasite. He is very attached to his family. The president has given his assent to the bill. I met Asiya on the way to my office. She jumped into the river. The servant is attending on him. The study of clouds is called nephrology. The study of spellings is called orthography. A person who abstains from all kinds of alcoholic drinks is teetotaler. A person who believes in the existence of God is called theist. One who does good to one's fellow man is called philanthropist. That which cannot be satisfied is insatiable. My friend promised to come but never turned up. The stranger turned to be a thief. Ignorance of law is no excuse. A school teacher or a person affecting learning is called pedagogue. Birds moving from one place to another is called migratory. Eliminating or killing of whole race is called genocide. Aslam was married to Amina. He was disposed of this house. He was never entitled to this high post. Razia is fit for joining her duty. We have full faith in our leader. He has servants to attend upon him. The government is fully aware of situation. He deals in leather goods. He did not act upon his teacher advice. He cannot agree with you in this matter. Have you pondered over my case? The PN seems to have lost the confidence of his boss. His father is very anxious about his son's health. He must pay attention to the advice of his father. The master was annoyed with the servant. The students are bent on mischief. One who firmly believes in fate or destiny is called fatalist. The study of earthquake is called seismology. The science which deals with the study of the heavenly bodies is called astronomy. Anwar can always count on my help. He is fully prepared for the examination. The officer should deal out equal justice to all his subordinates. You should divest your mind of fear. The examination will commence on the 7th September. A person who has passion for stealing is an kleptomaniac. That which cannot be hurt is called invulnerable. Animals which live in flocks is called gregarious. Frogs abound in this pond. He was absorbed in studies. He will have to account for his strange behavior. Rina keeps back nothing from her friends. A person who hates mankind is called misanthropist. The hater of learning or knowledge is called misologist. A person who talks too much is called silent.